Have you ever felt stuck staring at a blank page, unsure how to start writing? You're not alone. Whether it's a blog post, a report, or even an email, the writing process can be time-consuming and overwhelming. But here's the good news. AI is transforming how we create content. Did you know that AI tools can increase writing efficiency by up to 30%? Imagine cutting your writing time in half while still producing polished, professional content. Today, I'm introducing you to AI Wize, an intelligent writing assistant that takes your content creation to the next level. In this video, we'll explore how AI is shaping the world of writing and show you how to use AI Wize to write a blog article from start to finish. Let's dive in. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's changing the way we work. In writing and content creation, AI is a game changer. It assists with tasks like brainstorming ideas, generating structured content, and refining tone and grammar. Professionals across industries are using AI to save time, boost creativity, and reduce stress. For example, marketers are generating blog content in minutes, and small business owners are crafting professional emails with ease. But what makes AI truly powerful is its ability to adapt to your style and goals. And that's where AI Wize comes in, offering unique tools like the chat feature for brainstorming and the prompt library for creating specific parts of your content. Now, let's see how AI Wize stands out by writing a blog post together. The title of the blog is The Rise of Remote Work, Trends for 2024. Our goal is to create a polished, professional blog in 3 steps: brainstorm ideas with the chat feature, build content with the prompt library, and refine it to completion. Let's start by brainstorming some ideas for the blog. On the AI Wize dashboard, click on Chat in the left-hand menu to open the chat feature. Now, I'll type, "I'm writing a blog about remote work trends for 2024. Can you suggest some unique angles?" When I press enter, AI Wize will respond with several suggestions. I'll review the ideas and pick one that works best as the blog's title. Once I've chosen, I'll copy it and paste it into the draft document as the blog title. Next, I'll outline the blog by generating some subheadings. I'll ask the chat, what are some good subheadings for a blog about remote work trends? AI Wize will suggest several options. I'll copy the ones that fit the structure of the article and paste them into the outline in the draft document. With the title and outline ready, let's move on to building content with the prompt library. The AI Wize prompt library is perfect for creating specific parts of the article, like introductions, closings, or expanding paragraphs. Let's start with the introduction. First, navigate to the prompt library by clicking prompts in the left-hand menu. Scroll through the options and select blog introduction. The system will ask for some details to generate the introduction. I'll fill these in now. For blog title, I'll type, "The Rise of Remote Work, Trends for 2024. For audience, I'll type business professionals. And for tone, I'll select professional. Once I click generate content, AI Wize will generate an introduction. I'll copy it and paste it into the draft document under the introduction section. Next, I'll expand on one of the subheadings using another prompt.
I'll select the sentence expander from the prompt library. In the prompt input box, I'll type the subheading, "How remote work impacts productivity." Then I'll click Generate Content. AI Wize will create a paragraph expanding on this topic. I'll copy the paragraph and paste it under the corresponding subheading in the draft document. Finally, I'll create a strong conclusion for the blog. I'll go back to the prompt library and select Blog Conclusion. The system will ask for 3 inputs to tailor the conclusion. For the call to action, I'll type, "Explore the opportunities remote work offers for you and your organization." For the tone of voice, I'll select Professional. And for the topic of the article, I'll type, "The Rise of Remote Work, Trends for 2024. Once I've filled in these fields, I'll click Generate Content. AI Wize will create a tailored conclusion based on these inputs. I'll copy and paste it into the draft, completing the blog structure and content. Once the draft is complete, I'll review it and make any adjustments needed. And finally, I'll export the completed blog. I'll click Export at the top of the editor. Then, I'll choose the desired format. I'll select PDF. AI Wize will generate a clean, well-formatted document that's ready to publish or share with colleagues.
With AI Wize, creating a professional blog article is simple and efficient. The chat feature helps you brainstorm ideas, while the prompt library provides structured, tailored content for every section of your blog. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just looking to save time, AI Wize transforms the way you create content. If you're ready to experience it for yourself, sign up for AI Wize today and start writing smarter. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into AI and content creation. Thanks for watching and happy writing!